Hi, today we are discussing our final project presentation on bike sharing system. Myself, Likit, and my co-team member is Charan. Here, the system architecture, the Magento e-commerce platform will power the site's e-commerce functionality. Get Cycling, the company hosting Magento, will offer various website building options. You can learn more about the company's mission and pricing options. Our top priority is safety of our customers' credit card and information. Yes, we have discussed in our classroom, like the user may uh, pick the nearest pickup location of the bike and drop the nearest drop location where he wanna drop, and the credit card information or any other wallet information we are keeping very confidential. And the system architecture of this is the website will be hosted on a dedicated Linux server on a local network. The computer runs on the Linux and powered by an internal 86 processor. The web server will be Apache. Here, the servers or like the languages which has been used is Linux, Code, MySQL, PHP, Simple XML, DOM, Apache. That's it. Yeah, yeah. The security reasons for the bike security is developing a security strategy using the payroll databases. Like we can keep the sensors for the bikes as well. If any road hazard or like any other, if the bike has been damaged by the customer, then we can know it easily. And the sensor gonna toggle it to our system and it gonna send a inbox message or some other mail like toggle just notifies the administrators. And architectural damage, both accidental and intentional, is pretty standard. This is required due to the risks associated with multi-user environments. The administrator should be charged of security policy. An IDS. IDS is Intrusion Detection System was installed to keep malicious traffic out of the network. Yeah, the security system should only be accessible to administrators. The security system is not acceptable by the customers or any other customer of the each customers. We are not accessible. The security system is only accessible for the administrators, like along the payment gateways or any other like offers giving maintain the offers to keep at a certain time at the peak time or the normal time as well. It is critical to follow the system's object preferences. In this case, the narrator has complete control over who can see it. Access to the site will necessitate the use of a password. If you do not log in regularly, your account will be terminated. The system administrator should revoke the accounts of the departing employees. Here is not a big deal. We are if the customer is not logging regularly, yeah, the account can be terminated and again easily they can sign up. Like if they are entering through mail or the mobile number, which one they wanna use, like social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, we can send our OTPs to them with confidential, and it values like 5 minutes or like marginal time like 3 minutes, like whatever it will be. Then he can enter, he or she can enter the OTP what which one we shared, like 6-digit PIN number. Then they're gonna um, reveal back their account. Software information. To retrieve all data, an API can be used. The Internet of Things is a concept that uses the internet to connect data. Customer retention and service have improved due to the company's changes. The goal of the user interface is to ensure that the user's expectations are met. Create a user interface that will improve the operational programmability of the site.
Hello, hello. My name is Sharon, and this is the data models that we are using in the uh, mobile stations. bike stations like Brew and Nash model, Harrison Rosen Hullum model, Bell Lal Padal model, Beba model, Crack Wilson model, and data model contents. The first mathematical representation of multi-layered. That multi-layered means like one. It is not a single uh, page. Like it contains of many several stages. Like it's starting from the dock station, implementation of dock station, protection of vehicles to the protection of the vehicles, and it is used for the customers. Like when we implement the bicycles, and it is also used in a particular way that they can be used, and the user manual must be good when within the user range of customers. Security policy was created using this model. Like when we using this model, like security must be there, because the hacking may done within the damage and then the dock stations, and also the within the payment models. By only the security policy will help to protect the data and protect the infrastructure and protect the money. The BIBA model may be good fit when maintaining the confidential. It isn't. The data is converted into CDI and UDIs before being analyzed. Like when we are using the particular data model, it must be encrypted and decrypted. Like when we are using the same model, it must be good when we are using it. Like Bell Lalpodal model. Here you can see the user is no read up and five confidential I read only. Like when we use this model, it can show how the user uses the no read up model and service confidential model. And within the next user, you can see the user will be using the dock stations, like within the security premises, and when we get the OTP, and we can unlock the bike. And by using this, we can use the different ways to unlock the I mean for using the different stations. Like we have to the locations of reaching point from one place to another place is different from each customers. Like when one particular customer is using the one single bike, then it the uh, pickup and dropping places are very different. So we have to make sure that what is the destination of a particular customer, and for the destination of that the charge I mean the cost price of for every particular thing is different depending upon the bike they are. Like this is the station which we can see, like when we have the different parking station from here to there, and when we can see the data model which consists of all different types of models. When we are using the application, like we have to use this type of model bike, and this is the a pickup station, this is the drop station, and we can charge within the limited premises. And these are the this is the what we this is the what we can do right now. So these are the references what we have taken from the from this. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.